up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is look 1 of my festival series. I have been working on these looks for a long time and this is one of my favorites out of all 4. If you want to see a sneak peek of what's to come, we have these gemstones and we have these little pearly ones. And these are actually all based off music. So these looks are based off of music that I love. Since they're music festivals, I thought that was entirely appropriate. So this one is based off of the song Coachella by Lovely the band. This is a band that not a lot of people will know about, but they really should know about. They're absolutely amazing. I kind of got introduced to them through the second band in the series, which is 5 Seconds of Summer, because the lead singer for Lovely the band wrote a song for 5 Seconds of Summer. So that's how I got introduced to them, and I am a huge fan of their music. I've been listening to it non-stop. The song is Coachella, I already said that, but you know. There's a line in the song that says flowers on your head, and that's where I got the idea for gluing flowers to my head. So if you guys want to check out that song, I'm going to link it down in the description. I'm also going to link down the band's Twitter and Spotify and all that, just so you guys can go see them and check them out if you want to. They're really, really good, so I definitely recommend it. And also, as you saw in the title of this video, it's also a giveaway. So this series is going to be a giveaway. I'll do a giveaway in each video, and then the giveaway will run for a month. In this video, you will be winning a Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette of all time, and also a really, really good mascara from Estee Lauder. This is the Sumptuous Bold Volume Lifting Mascara. This is a great, great one. One of my favorites when I worked at the counter. So yeah, you get these 2 things and also a Sephora $25 gift card. So that's not too bad. They're going to be little giveaways, but I wanted to be able to give back to you over a month, and it'll be more than one winner this time, which will be really, really great. So this is prize number 1 for the month. Enter with the link down in the description box below. So I will have everything linked below. You can enter the giveaway below. You can check out the band below. And I will also be linking future videos below as well if you want to see the series. Don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you know when I post these videos and you know when the next giveaway video goes live. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as well. One of the rules for this giveaway is to comment down below your favorite band or your favorite song of the moment. I really want to know new music to listen to and get inspired by. So definitely leave those down for me, and let's get into the video. Alright, today we will be starting with primers using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter and the MAC Strobe Cream, and then also following that up with some MAC Fix Plus. Then I'm going to be going in with my favorite NARS Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation. This one is a great one for festivals. It wears really long during the day and doesn't come off with excess oils, so that's really great. It does require a little bit of setting though, is what I have noticed. I'm just blending that out now with my Artis Oval 8 brush, and then going ahead and just making sure it's completely blended around the edges of my face. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral and just highlighting my face with that and blending it out with my Morphe Contour Sponge. I also did go in and buff out my skin with the Morphe regular foundation sponge. Now I'm just going in with some RCMA No Color Powder to set my under eyes and also the areas around my mouth. And then following that up, I will be taking my MAC, I forget what the powder is, but it's in the shade NC15, and I set the rest of my face with that. Now going in with some NYX Cream Shadow Sticks. I'm first taking a lighter blue and putting that as the main base of the look. This is the color I'm kind of shooting for in the overall look. And then I go ahead and blend that out with my finger. You can use any cream eyeshadow base for this, it really doesn't matter. And then adding the darker blue to the outer corners. And again following that up with blending with my finger. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with that deeper teal green blue shade. And I just pack that all over the lid and into the crease. I want this to be a very main color in the look, and I'm making sure to get every single area of that eye. I'm just using a Luxie brush. It's a small tapered brush. It's really good for packing on color.
So this is just going to be the base color of the look, and then I will again go in with a deeper green color. It's not in the Jaclyn Hill palette, it was a Juvia's Place palette. Don't know exactly which one. I'll try to put it in the description box below. And just deepening up the crease even more. Following that up with the light blue shade from the Aurora palette, which is actually what I highlight with my face later, and blending that out on the eyelid. Then taking a NYX royal blue shadow to deepen up the crease even further. I just wanted to make sure it had enough depth to match the flowers. Next, I go ahead and put on some wispies from Ardell, but that takes me literally forever, so I'm not going to show you. And then I'm taking that lash glue and then painting it on the base of the flowers. I found that this doesn't work, so I ended up going in with liquid latex, which worked a lot better. Now for the flower placement, it's really up to you. You can place them however you'd like. You don't even have to use blue flowers. You could use yellow, red, and then coordinate the eye look with that as well, just kind of following that same aspect that I did. And then I'm just placing them in places where I think it looks good. And then I did decide to balance it out and add some flowers on the other side of my face as well, rather than just the left or right side. I don't really know how it looks from this side of that side of the video, but I'm just adding in flowers where I see fit, and then I did want to add them in front of the brow as well. Now I'm finally just going on to finish my face with some bronzer from Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer, and then again, as I said earlier, highlighting my face with the blue shade in the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of my favorite glow kits. Glow kits are my life. I use them almost every single day, so I would definitely check them out if I were you. And then just to finish off the overall look, I'm going in with a pinky semi-nude lip color. I think this is Warm and Fuzzy from Dose of Colors. Just any pink nude that you have will really do. And then I finish it off with my Cover FX Illuminating Spray, spraying that everywhere, making it get extra on my chest area.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to enter that giveaway down in the description box below. And don't forget to check out Lovely the Band. They're amazing. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Be on the lookout for the next festival theme video where there'll be another giveaway. So yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified, and subscribe and like and comment. I'm pretty sure I've said that a million times. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.